right, good morning, everyone. We're going to do a post CPI announcement trade. As you can see, I'm getting short about 4 micros on NASDAQ right now. And I'm trading micros because the range is very large, so there's no need to really trade a lot of size on big news events like this. So what I'm anticipating is price to drive lower. That purple box, I expect it to hold that as resistance now that we're closing below it. And I anticipate that there could be some sideways trading, so I would like to get up to at least 5 or 6 micros. If we get one more push higher towards the dotted orange line at 17,697, I'll probably add one more. And then worst case scenario, I draw that little wick, I split that in half, and I see what we could trade up to. So just trying to manage my risk to make sure that, you know, if I am getting in, that I'm not going to be risking too much for this trade, because the big move has already happened. So I'm just trading the second leg lower. And I also at this point am seeing Dow Jones and ES trading into new lows, which gives me a lot of confidence that NASDAQ should follow suit and take out new lows. And I do have that target at about 17,652s. And the fact we're stopping right in front of that means that we're likely to trade it very soon. The idea is that the market is pooling liquidity below those lows and enticing people to buy right here. So right there, we broke that previous low, but not the low of the morning. And that doesn't really concern me. I don't get worried that the low is not going to break now, or that support's going to step in and buyers are going to push it higher, because that's not the case. It's going to burn right through that low, and that's why it's stopping like that. There you go. So I got filled on half of my orders right there. And then I'm going to try to cover one more when we trade into the low again. Covered one right there on the test of that low, and then this last one I'm going to try to hold either till 17,628, which is that second red line, or if you split the difference, it'll be 17,638.75. So I'll trail the stop now below any swing high on the 30-second chart. So right now my stop should be around 76s, which I think you'll see me move it. Yeah, or 78.75 is where my stop is now. And then I'm going to go ahead and trail it again as we make new lows right there. Right there, I think 52 or 63s. Yeah. So we're just locking in point as price is trading lower. All right, and then I exited right there as it touched 17,638. As you can see, we exited right at the low tick. And then my stop was sitting right there, so I wanted to see if it would have been tagged, and it would have immediately reversed and stopped me out. So there's a quick scalp this morning for post CPI news. Take care.